Let's make Ragi Mudde. Add 300 milliliters of water and bring it boil. When the water is boiling, then add a cup of ragi flour. Mix well. Add 50 milliliters of water so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. Mix well until you reach this consistency. Once it is cooked, then remove it on tawa, because it doesn't stick on tawa. Apply some water. Make into round ball. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is packed with nutrients. It's rich in calcium, which is great for bone health. It also has a good amount of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you full longer. Plus, it's gluten-free, making it a great option for those with gluten sensitivities. It also has antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Overall, it's a super nutritious and versatile grain.